Hello everybody, my name is Eric. Today I want to speak on how to install pgadmin in Ubuntu 20.04. So let's get started and let me open the command line. Okay. First of all, start to check if I have some update. Now I want to upgrade, do some upgrading. Enter yes. Cool, the upgrading is done. Now let's start with the installation of pgadmin. What is actually pgadmin? Pgadmin is an open source software for the development and administration of PostgreSQL database and related databases. So let's enter. I will first of all clear this. So let's enter the following command. So that means I would like to add the pgadmin4 PPA to our system and import the repository signing GPG key. So we do the following. Good. Now enter the following command. I hope I'm having the pjadmin4 main. Alright. Sorry. And then I put it here. See. Sources. Next. .g/pgadmin4 Hopefully that everything looks good. I hope so. Let me check if I did not miss anything important in this command line. Seems to be good. So enter. Oh, cannot create this. Okay, did I miss something? Sudo s /pjadmin pjadmin4 focal. Okay. First command was right. This one. So okay, yeah. Then after this, the s, okay. Yeah, I'm missing something. Echo. Yeah. Still missing something. Yeah, made a mistake. Source dot minus next. Now it's fine. Good. Now let us check if we have this under the desired location. So I will use nano. Copy this. Copy and then paste it here. Yeah, it is fine. Then I'll go back and exit. Okay. Now that we are through this, let us do this now. Let us do another update since we've done some changes. Okay, now let's start installing pgadmin4. We start with the installation of pgadmin4. Alright, press here. Okay, this will install a lot of packages including Apache 2 web server for the pgadmin web 4 application in web mode. So pgadmin contains pgadmin4 web and pgadmin4 desktop. So after that, we can go and open the browser and enter a URL to see if pgadmin is installed. So keep waiting. In progress. Cool. Now we can go and open a browser of our choice. Just open the browser, then we will check pgadmin is installed. /pgadmin4. Alright. Yeah, it is installed. Cool. Now, if we want to do more, we can go to the Ubuntu software and check if the app is there. Okay. So go to the Ubuntu software. Open this. Back. Hold on. I will check through my. If I open what I've already here, it is my pjadmin4 install. Good. Fantastic. So guys, we reached the first lesson of my Ubuntu on my channel. So please, if you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.